Guys, so these are the ingredients that we're gonna use. We have chiles guajillos and chiles pasilla right here. We have camarones secos. We have right here, we have 2 kinds of shrimp. We have the kind of medium-sized ones, like not that big, and then we have the big one also. Aparte de este, we have the seafood medley if you guys want to add it. I don't know if you guys like the siete mares that comes with like the pulpo and everything else, but if you don't want to use that, well, you don't have to add it. We have some chiles chipotle. We have 1 little jar. We have cilantro. We have 4 to 5 carrots, a repollo, cabbage, and then 4 papas, and then this is Mexican squash. And I'm missing celery. I think I'm gonna go buy it right now. But yeah, an onion. You need half an onion. 2 to 3 ajos. I don't know if I said tomatoes already. And I think that's it, guys. And we're gonna need oregano and cominos. So I have my pot here filled with water. Don't worry about measurements or anything. It's basically just gonna be to boil tomato and like the chiles and all this. So you're gonna put in your tomatoes. I already washed everything. You're gonna put them in there. You're gonna add half of your onion. That's why I said you didn't really need the whole thing. So you're gonna put that in there. Your garlics. And then vamos a adicionar los chiles. So basically, break off the ends so you can get all the little seeds. And that's what we're gonna do. And so these are washed and ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and add that in there. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm very salty, guys, so yeah. We're gonna let that boil until everything is cooked through. We're gonna start by putting our potatoes, our carrots. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I have all my carrots nice and peeled. I have
nice. The papa's already washed and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these. You don't have to be like perfect with it. Just kind of cut it however you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like that. Cut this off. Okay, so you can see this is the size. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the vegetables into this up. Then we're gonna have right here.
our cilantro. The cilantro just basically needs to be washed. We're not gonna chop it up. We're just gonna take like a little manojo, maybe like this much, and we're just gonna drop that in. Okay guys, so just to give you a little update, this is pretty much almost close to being done. So you can see the chiles are like not hard anymore. They're soft. The tomatoes are starting to peel. We have all of our verdura right here ready to go. The cilantro está lavado and everything ready to go. The repollo is cut up. My sister went to go buy celery. The repollo is the only one that's missing. So we're going to go ahead and take this. We're going to blend everything together. Be very careful. Okay. This is nice and blended, but I almost forgot. We are going to add chile chipotle. But once you want it in your pot and it's hot, you're going to go ahead and add all of your verdura. Basically, this is how it is. We're going to go ahead and mix everything together. See, como ya pueden ver, this is broken down a little bit already. It's not like how it was before. So this is when you are going to add your chile mixture that you guys made. When when you guys add the chile and the salsa and everything, as you guys can see right here, we're gonna go ahead and add these two. Those give it a lot of flavor. We're gonna add salt because I haven't really been adding salt. Me va a faltar sal. I'm gonna go ahead and add some. Yo soy bien salera, so I'm gonna go ahead and add kind of a lot. Ahí le tantean. We're gonna let this kind of cook for a little bit. Le vamos a echar poquita más agua y vamos a dejar que se cozan las verduras bien. Okay. This is already pretty much almost all the way cooked through. The camarones we had added, the dry ones are right here. They're kind of wilted already. We're gonna go ahead and add our camarones frescos and our seafood mix. I'm gonna mix these in. This is not gonna take a long time, guys. This is not gonna take long. Camarones cook really, really fast. I think. So we're gonna go ahead and add these. It was already washed, and we're gonna let it cook. Okay, guys. So this is the final product. As you guys can see, this is all cooked. This is it. Yummy.